Good afternoon, children. Welcome again to our online session. Hope you all are fine with good health. Moving forward to make our teaching learning process enjoyable, let's begin with a new poem, How Dot a Little Busy Bee. Children, we see in the garden beautiful flowers. We hear the buzzing bees. They sit on flower, collect the nectar from flowers and heading to their secret hive to collect honey in the honeycomb. Isn't it amazing? This little creation of God also works very hard. They make us understand that work is worship. In this poem, the poet has described some of the best nature creatures and their works. The poem How Dot the Little Busy Bee, written by Isaac Watts. Isaac Watts was an English Christian minister, hymn writer. Hymn writer means a person who writes a religious song or poem to praise a god. Theologian means a person who studies or is a specialist in religion. And logician means a person who is specialist in logic. He was a prolific and popular hymn writer and is credited with some 750 hymns. He is recognized as the godfather of English hymnody. Many of his hymns remain in use today and have been translated into numerous languages. Parody. Parody means an imitation of the style of a particular writer, artist, or genre with deliberate exaggeration for comic effect. A parody written by Charles Lutwidge Dodgson, better known by his pen name Lewis Carroll, was an English writer of children's fiction, notable Alice's Adventure in Wonderland and his sequel to The Looking Glass. He was noted for his facility at wordplay, logic, and fantasy. How Dot the Little Crocodile is a parody by Lewis Carroll, which appears in his 1865 novel Alice's Adventure in Wonderland. It is recited by Alice in chapter 2 as she attempts to recall Against Idleness and Mischief by Isaac Watts. Let us begin with the poem How Dot the Little Busy Bee and a parody How Dot the Little Crocodile. Children, let's begin with the poem 2.4 How Dot the Little Busy Bee. How Dot the Little Busy Bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower. How skillfully she builds her cell, how neat she spreads her wax, and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. Isaac Watts. A parody. How Dot the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale. How cheerfully he seems to grin, how neatly spread his gloves and welcome little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Lewis Carroll. How Dot the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower. How skillfully she built her cell, how neat she spread her wax, and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale. How cheerfully he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws and welcomes little fish in with gently smiling jaws. How Dot the little busy bee improve each shining hour. Dot is an Old English used for does. In this two line, the poet wonders as how the little bee is so busy, how it becomes more energetic and works even harder as the days goes by and gather honey all the day from every opening flower. He also wonders how the tiny bee able to gather honey all day from flower to flower. How skillfully she builds her cell, how neat she spreads her wax. In these two lines, the poet tells us that the female honeybee skillfully builds the cell inside the honeycomb and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. In this two line, the poet says that she neatly spreads the wax, makes honey from the nectar and works hard to store it well. A parody. How Dot the Small Little Crocodile, written by Lewis Carroll, tries to poke fun at the poem How Dot the Little Busy Bee. The parody is a humorous way speaks about the idleness and cunningness of a crocodile in contrast to the hard-working bee. A parody. How Dot the Little Crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the waters of the Nile on every golden scale. How cheerfully he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Lewis Carroll. How Dot the Little Crocodile. Dot is an Old English used for does. Improve his shining tail and pours the water of the Nile on every golden scale. In this stanza, the poet is talking about the crocodile that lives in the river Nile. The poet tells us that the crocodile improves his look by pouring water on his body, which makes it shine and scales appear golden under the rays of the sun. This will make him look very attractive to the fishes that he wants to prey on. How cheerfully he seems to grin. Grin means to smile. How neatly spreads his claws. Claws means curved pointed nail on each of a foot of a mammal, reptile or bird, and welcome little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. In this stanza, the crocodile cheerfully smiles, but his smile is fake. He put to hide his real intention of attracting the fishes. Behind the fake smile is a beast, nearly spreading his claws and waiting for an opportunity to eat an innocent little fishes. How Dot the Little Busy Bee poet Isaac Watts wants to convey the message by giving the example of a honey bee that hard work plus dedication plus consistency is equal to success.